गाइज आज वीडियो आम किसी स्पोकन इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस करवा। सो आज प्रथम सेंटेंस होची तमे तुम बयस ठारू कम लगुछ। यू लुक यंगर दैन योर एज। यू लुक यंगर दैन योर एज। तुमको एमती कहबा उचित नथिला। यू शुड नॉट हाव सेड सो। यू शुड नॉट हाव सेड सो। टंका पैसा रे स्वार्थी हुओ। बी सेल्फिश इन द मैटर ऑफ मनी। Be selfish in the matter of money. तमे मते नाचिबा सिखै परिबो? Can you get me learn dance? Can you get me learn dance? से मते खुआई देला नहीं. He didn't let me eat the food. He didn't let me eat the food. से मते बाइक चलेबा को देला नहीं. He didn't let me ride the bike. He didn't let me ride the bike. से ता बयस हिसाब रे अधिक लागे. He looks older than his age. He looks older than his age. मो भूल को बुझी पारिछि. I have realized my mistake. I have realized my mistake. मो अजाणतरे तुमको कष्ट देछि. I hurt you unknowingly. I hurt you unknowingly. मु या को हृदय रु करबा को चाहूछि. I want to do it wholeheartedly. I want to do it wholeheartedly. मु तुमको देखा पागल परी होउतिली. I was craving to meet you. I was craving to meet you. मु प्रति क्षण तुम साथरे थिली. I was there with you every moment. I was there with you every moment. लागुछि से तुमर के हेबे. Looks as he is someone to you. Looks as he is someone to you. टंका तुमको भल पाइबा देई परिबोनी. Money cannot get you love. Money cannot get you love. हरी खट तले लुचिची. हरी is hiding under the bed. हरी is hiding under the bed. आजिकाली स्वार्थपर दुनिया. Selfishness is common these days. Selfishness is common these days. फोन रु चार्जर काढ़ी दियो. Unplug the phone from charging. Unplug the phone from charging. आमे सबुदिन किसी नुआ जिनस शिखि थाउ. We learn new things every day. We learn new things every day. गत रविवार तुम्हें कौन कलो? What did you do last Sunday? What did you do last Sunday? से मोबाइल कौन देखुची? What is he watching on mobile? What is he watching on mobile? एथिरे तुमरो कौन बिगड़िबो? What wrong can it cause to you? What wrong can it cause to you? से तुमरो कौन बिगड़िची? What wrong has it done to you? What wrong has he done to you? आपण काहाकु आमंत्रण करबाकु चाहिबे? Whom do you like to invite? Whom do you like to invite? तुमे एमते बकवास काहे की करो? Why do you talk such nonsense? Why do you talk such nonsense? तमे मते भाबिबाकु भी देला नाही. You didn't even let me think. You didn't even let me think.